The earliest reference we have to a vampire is from a text in Old Russian, written in 1047 AD, said Stanley Hispanic, an assistant professor in the Department of Slavic Languages and Literature at the University of Virginia. The actual term vampire made its written debut in 1725, Groom said. Yes, there are many, such as blood drinkers. Blood drinkers, sanguine vampires, they must regularly drink fresh human blood or animal to sustain their undead existence. There are also Acerabusams, a West African vampire with iron fangs and hooks for feet that allow them to hang from trees. And then there is a Dhampir, a Balkan creature that is the result of a union between a vampire and a human. Next is Ikimu, an ancient Mesopotamian vampire that was the soul of a dead person who traveled in the wind and sucked the life force from his victims. And then we have Penangkalang, which is our personal favorite, a Malay vampire that appears as a floating, dissembled woman's head with its organs and internals trailing from its neck. And then we have De Grue, a Viking vampire that was usually hideous to look at, with a neurotic black or blue color and a reek of decay, people say. And then last but not least, Empusa, Lamia, and Strudges, ancient Greek predecessors to modern vampires, though none were considered undead. The term immortality does not necessarily mean invincible, as immortal beings can still be killed in certain ways. Vampires are considered immortal beings, but they can also be killed. Being immortal means being young forever and recovering from almost any injury. Vampires also have much better depth perception than humans. When a vampire hunts, he uses his senses of smell to find his prey and hearing to track its movements.